This video explains how to buy shares of ANTA Sports Products Ltd. ANTA is a Chinese sportswear company listed on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange under ticker O2020HK, and this is an educational guide, not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker. I use eToro here as a neutral example. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with a government ID, and add funds before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker O2020HK to find the listing. Select the ANTA Sports Products Ltd result on HKEX to ensure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart showing recent movements. Confirm the name, exchange, and ticker O2020HK to verify it is the right stock. To place an order, tap Invest. Enter the amount you want to buy, then carefully review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or scheduled, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Once executed or queued, your ANTA position will appear in your portfolio. For the platform link and more details, check the description below.